everyone, welcome to EP Spare Parts Warehouse. And today I will want to show a new solution for the spare parts management. As we all know, almost 70% of the spare parts are small spare parts, and which is smaller than this lithium battery package or smaller than this box, like this one. So what we will do is put this one into the small box, and this will be a package we want to upload it to the new equipment. So this is a new solution, and we call it DASP. So it's a complete name is Digital Autonomous Spare Parts System. Then let's finish this inbound system of this new material, and let's see how it can be finished automatically and digitally. Okay, then firstly, let's put on this box on the standby position. And secondly, let's take this scanner and press inbound button. So we will use a scanner to scan the label. Okay, and it will jump out of the window. So press it. Okay, secondly, we will scan the box number. Okay, right, and then we input the number 1, and press on the share button. With that, we can see the machine start working. Well, as you can see, only 10 seconds, it will take this box back to the right position. And for the warehouse guys, you don't need to remember where it is because the system will record where is the position, how many is input, and also update the data very quickly without any other person's help. This inbound procedure can be finished. Then I will show you how to finish the outbound procedure. So let's follow me. And still back to the pad screen, this is a standard configuration, and we will click on the outbound procedure, input the number, which is the material number. Click the button, then you can see the machine started to take out the material one by one. Okay, so this one machine will take it for this standby position. After the machine move back, all right. So we will take out this box to another position, and you can take out any you want. And secondly, you can see the machine is continuously to take out the second material as your order wants. And what's best is this whole procedure every time it will only takes around 20 to 25 seconds. And for the warehouse guy, we just sit here, wait for the material coming. So it's very all right. As you can see, the second one also arrived here. So this is the best point. For the warehouse guy, we don't need to walk around the whole warehouse to find or search for the parts. It's very convenient for you. Just wait here. If you have a chair, you can sit here. So this machine will take out the part as you want continuously. So after the autonomous and digital features shown, I want to show you why we call it big capacity but with small size. As you can see, this one is a prototype of this whole system. And the one you will receive is a new version. You will receive the double shelves with one automatic picker. So, and you can see the occupation on the side is very small. Increases the safety tunnel. You can see it's just 25 square meter with 6 meter height. It will contain around 1,000 boxes. As you can see, the boxes are like this one. This is the bigger one, and also we have smaller one like this one, smaller one. So totally, if we just select all of them small boxes, it will go to 1,530 boxes. If we compare it to the traditional stock warehouse, this solution can help you to reduce at least 30% occupation site. All right, so this is the features of this system, and we can see the Double 11 policy support. Thanks for your time.